In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profile pictures in Glide. First, head to the Glide website in your browser. This is where all of your projects live and where you'll make the update. Once you're there, log into your Glide account. After you've signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Find the project you want to edit and open it. This ensures the change applies to the exact app where you want the profile picture to appear, whether that's a staff tool, a customer portal, or a community app. Inside the project, look to the left-hand sidebar and click User Profile. This section is where Glide stores each user's personal details, including the photo that shows up across components like comments, chat, and user lists. Opening this area lets you manage your own avatar so it stays consistent wherever your identity appears in the app. Next, click Edit. You're moving from a read-only view to an editable one, which unlocks the fields you can update. Now click Image. This is the profile photo field. In some projects, it might be labeled Photo or Avatar, but it serves the same purpose. Selecting it tells Glide you're updating the picture associated with your profile. Choose Image from your computer. You can browse your files or drag and drop, whichever you prefer. For the best results, pick a clear, well-lit headshot. A square image often looks cleanest because many components display avatars in circles or squares. Glide works great with common formats like JPG and PNG. If you have a transparent background, PNG can help it look polished on different app themes. Aim for a reasonable file size so the app stays snappy. High resolution is good, but it doesn't need to be massive. Once your image is selected and you're happy with the preview, click Submit. This saves the change to your profile and updates it throughout the app. You might see the new picture appear right away in the preview. If not, give it a moment to sync. From here, you can navigate around your project to confirm the avatar looks the way you expect in lists, messages, or any component that uses user data. That's it. Quick, clean, and professional. By keeping your profile photo current, you make your app feel more personal and trustworthy for teammates and users alike, and it helps everyone recognize who they're interacting with. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Glide tutorials and no-code app builds. See you in the next video.